I'm going to use the cross product method to determine the value for x in each of the given proportion problems. So because my x is in the denominator in this first one and in the second one, I'm going to have to do a double cross product. So that's going to give me 6 times x on the left equals 12 times 18 on the right. And then what I'm going to do is to divide both sides by 6, both sides of the equal sign. There's a common factor now of 6 that's going to be removed. So on the right hand side I get x equals 12 times 18, which is 216 divided by 6, and if I perform that computation on my calculator I get 36. It's very important that I perform a check. So I'm going to take the value for x and insert it into the original proportion and then perform a double cross product and see if I get the same result. So 18 over 36, I'm going to multiply across here, and the question is, are those equal? So 6 times 36 is in fact 216, 12 times 18 is 216, and my result checks. For the second problem, I'm going to use the same kind of approach. My x is in the bottom, so I'm going to have to multiply across in both directions. So I have 2.3 times 5.6 equals 4.1 times x. I'm going to divide both sides by 4.1, and that's going to allow me to determine the value just for x. So I get 12.88 divided by 4.1 equals x, and if I perform that division and round to the nearest hundredths place, I get 3.14 equals x. Now let's perform a check, and when you are using a decimal value for a check, you may not obtain the same exact result, but as long as you're close enough, then you know that you're correct on your solution. And so what I'm going to do here is replace this x with the 3.14 and then multiply cross. So I get 2.3 times 5.6, that's 12.88. 3.14 times 4.1 is 12.874, and those are close enough for us to say that 3.14 is our final solution.